with David.
All right, we just put in at the dam. Let's see what happens here. I had a ton of rain a few days ago, but I'm not so lucky anymore. See if we can get Dad to flip on the first go. It turns pretty slow.
Really shallow. I got about an inch of water in here I may want to get rid of eventually.
Okay. That little waterfall?
Camera stay up?
Yeah.
You can't lose your camera now because you got a big drop on there.
Oh, that's true. Okay, here's David's attempt at a double set. It's about a, I don't know, 5-foot drop followed by a 6-foot drop, something like that. 4-foot drop. It looks like 20 feet by 30 feet from here. Okay, here he goes. Here's the approach. He's got to stay left and then cut hard right at the last second. Okay, he's staying left. He pivots. His approach is good. He digs. He's digging. Good approach. Oh, he's took on a lot of water. Excellent. Great. Fantastic.
All right, here goes Dad. Same waterfall. Getting it turned for the chute. Here he goes, paddling. Oh, he took on some water there. Oh yeah, made it. He's full of water.
Nice.
Get a little wet? I got a heavy boat. I bet in the summertime this is just full of people, you know? I think there's another little drop up here.
Yeah, I might want to put it away. Or you go through and tell me how bad it is.
It doesn't look bad from here. I don't Okay. Too late now. Oh yeah! Well, we finished our trip. We had to take out at a horse farm apparently. Hey buddy. So now we got to get over a bar. They really like our boats.
Hi guys.
We got to get over a electric fence without getting electrocuted. Hey buddy. It was a good trip. See if we can get out of here without getting fried.